Today we're going to complete the install of our flat fender kit on our Jeep Rubicon. So stay tuned and follow along to see how it turns out. There's 6, 7, appears to be 7 plugs you got to pull out. Let's see what we get. Get that out of there. Let me get my pliers, see how those are doing. These are not wanting to pull out with the tools. Broke, but it'll work. Last one, maybe. Well, I think that's all of them. I'll just rip it off. Oh, there's that. A bit more Tennessee. Now to wipe it up and get ready for the install of the new ones. To install the rear fenders, you have to install 8 of these rib nuts. It comes with a rib nut tool, this little rib nut tool. It's a basic tool and it'll work fine for this. But I have this rib nut tool kit I bought several years ago. That's what I'm going to use to install mine. First thing I do is got to drill these holes out to this size. So that's what we're fixing to do. There's one. Okay, that's all 8 of them drilled out. Now to get my tool and pop them in. Alright, to use this tool, you spread it out. You thread your insert in. Alright. You come over here to your hole. I'll use this one. Just stick it firmly into your hole. Squeeze it. You unscrew it. And there it is installed. Now I just got to do that 7 more times and we can put the fender on. Alright, got all the rib nuts in. It's time to install the fenders, so let's see what happens. I've got a couple clamps. I'm going to need to clamp it in place temporarily when I get it up on started, hopefully. Maybe. Put it up there so that's better than nothing. we've installed these 8 bolts in the nut certs. There's 2 top bolts here that get nuts. So, run them up. That one. Right, and that's that one. Now all left is put the tire on. This completes the install of the rears. Puts us one more step to our goal. Like and subscribe and follow for more.